What's up, everybody? Carson Vlogs here, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. And as you should be seeing this video on Wednesday at some point, I just finished editing it. It is 10:41 at night, and it's Monday. So this video, this is my second official vlog, and it should be going up Wednesday. I'm gonna finish it up. I'm gonna proof. I'm gonna watch the entire video, make sure I'm good with it. All the edits are good. And then I'm gonna render it to YouTube, make the title, probably do a thumbnail, do the description, and then I'm gonna schedule it for Wednesday, just so I have it and have it ready. So I'm gonna set a date, and once that date hits, it's gonna automatically upload, and you guys will be able to watch this video. But yeah, this is me going to pet a boxer puppy and messing around in Target. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment, and yeah, enjoy.
No. Hey, that's my Stu. She's sniffing. She might poop. Aww.
It's so cute.
If you pee on me, I literally do not care.
Want key? To unlock the park?
This is my new best friend. I call him Scooby-Doo Jr. because he's Scooby-Doo.
It's not Scooby-Doo. It's called a Great Dane.
It could be Scooby-Doo.
No. Oh my goodness!
Or I should FaceTime that and be like, look what you got.
Oh my god.
This thing is literally the cutest thing ever.
Yeah.
I don't have the best.
I know, but she's not going up on it. She's just like that.
Oh, you're such a good doggo. What are you doing? What are you doing? You got your keys? Get your keys. Where are you going?
I think she wants some alone time.
Well, that could be the video for tonight.
That's my arm! Hey! That's my arm! You want this instead? No?
I don't think you're gonna reach it.
Oh my god. You didn't record anything?
I did. No, I am. Oh crap! It's not focused. Hello.
Oh.
We locked in.
Oh.
Hello. Focus. Hold on.
Dude.
Let me see it.
Will they kick you?
No, they'll just kick me out.
They'll just kick you out. Can you come back or?
Yeah. Vlog. I don't see any. If you see a coworker, then you know what to do.
Okay. They have cameras, dude.
You could flip it, so if you're holding it like this, you can still see what you're filming because the screen is like a little bit.
Oh. Okay. Oh, there's a coworker down there.
We're on a mission right now. We're on a mission.
Is it on Snap?
Oh no, I'm on my regular phone. I'm gonna cut that audio out though. So we're on a mission right now. Well, a very important one. Am I in frame?
Yeah.
Okay, alright.
I'm moving it.
So I don't really So we're looking for a girl basically to do like, just to ask these stupid questions, or dudes, maybe dudes, but I'm not gay. Naya, directly after you. If you watch this video, I feel like I look bad. Oh crap! I'm new to this.
I know.
Oh, let me see my camera. Oh, okay. Let's see. All right. What is this? Hold on a sec. All right, we're back. That was like a massive jump cut, but you know, we're gonna look around here for a little bit, and if we don't really find anybody or anything, we're gonna go down here. We're gonna stick to the like hallways, you know, kind of aisles. So, what is? Oh, it's in a case.
You should get that for your car.
Yeah, maybe. You know what? Maybe. All right, I don't know where to look.
What are you looking for?
You know what I'm looking for.
Oh.
I just don't know like what section.
We don't have a section for that.
They should. I see. We're just trying to make sure
You're
they're.
wrong aisle. You have to look in the girls' clothing section.
Oh yeah, smart. Alright, so far so good. I just don't know. Big ass cup. Alright, hold on. Just in case the audio is bad, I got on here, so I don't really. Let me see it. Let's go to an aisle. There is an employee. This doesn't look sus at all. Another employee. Okay. We're good. We're good. We're gonna look around and we'll jump cut if we find anything. So you got this?
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay.
Back up a little bit so no one sees you.
What the heck? Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. There's an employee down there. Right there.
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you. Yeah.
Why? Oh, bro. Stop. Go.
We didn't find anybody at Target, so damn it, mission fail, but you know it's alright, we're going to mention, so anyway. Not gay, Naya. Jesus Christ.